share the section of the probability. So let's go. I know you will be wondering when we talk about the games such as cricket, tennis, basketball, volleyball, and etc. available in the market. All these events there is some uncertainty and randomness because we are not sure about the game. There is highly chance to win the game or lose the game. For this, we use the concept of probability to measure the uncertainty. Probability have three variables. The first one is toss a coin, the second one is roll a die, third one is about a cost. First one is toss a coin. We can get either a head or tail. It comes into P is equal to head or tail. But here we want a head, so we get the chances of 50%. So we convert into 50 divided by 100 is equal to 1 by 2. So there is a possibilities of 1 by 2. When it comes to probability, there should be we must write a fraction method. As first one is probability is equal to total number of outcome, number of favorable outcome. Okay. Total number is head and tail. So divide by 2. Number of favorable outcome. We want only head. So we get it into 1. Okay. Based on this format, number of favorable outcome, then total number of outcome is the important formula of probability. Assumption. Coin is not biased, can get a likely equally outcome in every probability method. Here now it comes to the second variable, that means a roll a dice. The total number of outcome is 6. There are 6 number of sets in dice. You know, we play a monopoly, snake, ladder, etc. Here we used two methods. P of E. This means called a event. Then another one is P of E dash. This also called event. Okay, this both are complement event. Here, what is the probability of getting a even number? Even number is you can say is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Even number is 2, 4 and 6. So there is a possibility of 3 divided by total number of outcome is 6. So we get the answer 1 by 2. Okay. Here always remember, possibility cannot be negative or cannot be greater than or 1. Means 0 is P of is not greater than of 1. This format is very important. You need 5. Already I told you need 5 to win the game. So how it possible? We can write what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 5. So probability of event is equal to 1 by 6. When it comes to probability of not getting a 5, that time we use the format P dash. Okay. 1 minus. So what we find P dash of 1 by 2. So Craftsman 2 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So we get the answer of, so same answer we get. Now we are going to the third variable. We already know the total number of cards is 52. So total number of outcome is 52. So we already got the answer. There are 4 suits for 13 cards. Okay. One is heart in, another one is club, a 13 numbers. So when we called as J, Q, K is the face card. We always remember this one is red color and this one also red color. These both are black color. What is the probability of shape? Shape contains the 13 variables. Then total number is 52. So answer is 13 divided by 52. Face card. Face card is when it comes to probability of face. His face is JQK. Okay, this one is face. So he is having a 3 faces. So we multiply the 3 into 4. So we get the 12 faces. So total number of outcome is 52. So we get the answer of 12 divided by 52. So we cancel 2 1 is 6. Then here is 6. Then 1 we get 13. Here is 3. So we get the answer is 3 by 13. So here the face card. Okay. Then that's it guys. This is the basic concepts of probability. Thank you.